A scatter plot is the fastest way to see whether two numbers move together. In Stratum, it's just a few clicks. Here's how. Drag your data onto Stratum to open it in the grid. Open the Charts menu, then choose Scatter. Pick two numeric columns, one for the horizontal axis, one for the vertical. Say, square footage against list price. Every row becomes a single dot, and the cloud of dots shows the relationship at a glance. Dots drifting up to the right mean the two rise together. A shapeless blob means little connection. Want to summarize the trend? Turn on the fit line. Stratum draws the straight line that runs through the middle of the cloud, so you can read the direction and the steepness at once. From here, you can go further. Color the dots by a category to compare groups, or size them by a third number to turn it into a bubble chart. When it looks right, export a clean PNG or PDF. That's a scatter plot in Stratum. Download it and try it on your own two columns.